Congratulations, you made it to the Dimmitt Library Canvas page. Once here, I'm going to be able to find even more ways of accessing books online. If I scroll down, I'll see a number of different links. I'm going to click on this one that says Library Catalog. Once I'm here, it's showing me a link to where I'm going to be able to see the Destiny Library Catalog. And this is something I can get to directly from this link on the page, or I can log in through my Hello ID portal. I'm going to go here through the Canvas page today. Once I'm here, you'll see it says, Welcome to Dimmitt Middle School. So these are books that are accessible to us, specifically my ebooks and my audiobooks. So let's say I'm looking at these and I'm like, ooh, I definitely want to check out Ghosts. I click on that. And in order to check this book out, I'm going to need to log in. What I'm going to want to do here is click on my Renton SD Hello ID. So it's basically checking if I'm logged into Hello ID the same way that you have been for logging into your Canvas overall. Now it knows who I am and it says, oh, here we go. I can check out this book. From here, I'm able to not only check it out, but I can also open it up and start reading it in my browser.